You can sharpen your pencil. You can raise your hand. You can open your lunchbox, eat your food, take a nap. Oh yes you can. I know you don't wanna go back. At least that's what you say. You've had a long summer and played all the games you can play, but you can't hide.
A school bus in the rain,
When the children are crying,
a school bus in the rain,
'cause they're back in school.
a school bus in the rain.
And the teacher's trying to keep the classroom under control. You can ride a tiger. You can learn to fly. You can do anything you want to. All you gotta use is your mind. But you can't hide.
A school bus in the rain,
When the teacher is crying,
a school bus in the rain,
'cause they're back in school.
a school bus in the rain.